Hello there, and welcome again to another episode of Web3 Revolution. My name is Rex, and before we begin, please remember that none of what we constitute about is legal advice or financial advice. So just be wary out there, be careful out there, and with many risks also can come many opportunities. So today we actually have quite an interesting episode. We are going to be talking about BlinkBot. We're going to be talking about BlinkBot. So what makes BlinkBot different? It's a Telegram trading bot. As you can see, you can trade on quite a few chains. And its big advantage is that it's faster with less latency than the other trade bots out there. I mean, as you can see, as an early user, you get all these crazy perks and benefits. There's even a trading tournament, which you can take advantage of on Solana, the trading tournament. Great referral program. And it is the fastest solution on the market. I'm sure you've heard of BullX bot. I'm sure you heard of Trojan bot. You maybe heard of Photon as well. But they're not offering trading tournaments where if you just like trade a lot, you can make money. They're not doing that. They do have a Telegram bot, but it's not as easy as this one, essentially. So as you can see, there's all these different chains, there's all these different capabilities. Let's really dive into this BlinkBot and see what it can do. So essentially you can start trading. I can start buying something. I have to enter the token contract. So let's go on Dex Screener really quick. We're obviously just going to do a real quick trade. We're not going to go crazy at all here, but I will open my Solana wallet and try to make one trade live for y'all so that we can actually do something interesting. So the first step, as you can see, there must be a buy refresh positions private key export start. Oh, I wonder how. Oh, there we go. That's the wallet. So you have that wallet that's copied to the clipboard. You need to send funds to that wallet. So let me do that right now. I'm just gonna send it to myself right now. Don't worry about this. Just so that I can fund my wallet. And then once we fund the wallet, we'll be taking a trade just to show you how easy it is. So first things first, let's fund the wallet, right? I'm going to go here, just copy that, go on the Phantom wallet, send, oh wow, am I out of Solana right now? I'm out of Solana, absolutely great. Okay, now we can send the Solana to the address. Boom. Let's do 0.2 just to show that we can do stuff. Okay. So boom. Now, when I go and press start, you'll see that I have Solana. So I can check my positions. I don't have any tokens available right now. Quick buy. This will just buy automatically. But, we want to be a little smarter. We can look at our referrals as well, if you would like. Click there, press referrals. Nothing happens when you click referrals. Definitely don't share the private key. Okay, I mean, help if you really need to know how to do it. As you can see, it's pretty simple. The big thing is just to trade using the BlinkBot. So I'll press buy. We're going to go on Dex Screener. What's hot right now? Let's do trending past 6 hours. These were hot on, oh wow, what is this pushing? 127k. Wow, might be a scam, right? Yeah, okay, token sniffer doesn't love it. Anyway, sorry about that. Okay, so we're gonna go here. We're gonna check Pope Dog. As you know, the Pope Francis did die today. This might be a scam too. No, no issues on the audit. No, I don't trust it. That's hot. We don't trust that. This troll thing can be quite nice. Let's do the troll. Okay, that's a big troll, bro. Okay, yeah. So, we click here, the address, we go here, I'm gonna enter the token contract right here. And then here you can choose to swap the amount. You can do a limit. I'm gonna do swap, makes it really easy. We're gonna do 0.1 SOL, boom. transaction pending. Transaction confirmed. Okay, that was it. As you can see, with just a few presses of a few buttons, I was able to add a position in my troll, which was quite easy. And as you can see as well, there was very few fees associated to this. BullX might have been as fast, but it's not as fast as BlinkBot, and it's not as seamless as well. I mean, BlinkBot is so easy to use. Now that you've seen how easy it was, just by doing that, now I can actually do the referrals, right? I mean, this is how it should work. You can check the settings, what slippage, what your quick buy is too, right? You can say how much of your portfolio immediately. GTO percentile for better transaction speed. We can do, 75%. Slippage, we can do 50. And then please enter SOL amount, we can do 0.1. So now if I wanted to quick buy, it would just buy automatically with this kind of setup, essentially. So the referrals will come in later. It's not answering right now because I didn't give any referrals. Now later on, you'll be able to give these referrals and help people out, essentially. So as you can see, you can check your limit orders, you can check everything. I mean, it's meant to be simple, essentially. It's meant to be all in Telegram because, you know, you can execute your trades a little faster. It's meant to be almost instant everything. So overall, it's an amazing tool, this BlinkBot. And as you can see, just by trading, you might get this token. You might be able to do cross-chain. Right now it's only Solana, but as you can see in the pipeline, there are quite a few other chains planned. Really excited for Hyperliquid, obviously. And that overall just shows you the future of trading. It's using these bots, using these ways that will make you faster and easier to penetrate the market, basically. BlinkBot is definitely one of those ways where, you know, you can trade as you usually trade, but trade faster, cheaper, better. It's that simple. So this is BlinkBot. As you can see, it's really simple. I mean, you know, just press start and there you go. You already see your wallet address right there. It's really simple. You can buy, you can sell, you can see your positions, you can quick buy. Right now I have no Solana on there, so let's you know, refresh. I just sent some Solana right now. Boom, there we see. I put a quarter Solana right there. Very nice. You know, I can buy anything. I just stick a token contract. Right now I found something kind of interesting on Dex Screener. We're gonna take a risk. You know, I mean, look, I'm not gonna say everyone's perfect, but boom, look at that. I mean, that's Trump. I mean, you know, everyone knows Trump. It's a pretty big one. But yeah, I mean, you know, I'm buying Trump right now. And then, boom, I mean, it was that simple. I just bought it. I mean, like, how fast was that? How ridiculous was that? And you can check my positions. Okay, that's the Trump that I own. I mean, it's too easy to use. I mean, you know, if you're going to use a trade bot, obviously you will be using trade bots. I mean, I'm about to sell right now, as you can see. I'm just going to click there and I say, okay, let's sell 100%. Boom, done. You know, just that's all you have to do. I mean, what you want is something fast when you're doing these trades, you know, because you don't have time. And everyone's competing to get on the blockchain. So with these 3 buttons, it's faster than, you know, confirming 15 wallets. And that is the big advantage of using a BlinkBot. So to recap, this was Rex. I just presented you BlinkBot, and I hope to see you in the next video.